Hey, it's Coach Josh, and this little kettlebell workout is something I would do in addition to the bodyweight strength and mobility training that I'm doing every day. The kettlebell workout, we're going to use one kettlebell for this sequence. And I know not everybody has an entire kettlebell rack at their house, so the kettlebell that you have access to might be a little bit light or a little bit heavy, depending on which exercise it is. So if you've got a heavy kettlebell, you're looking somewhere between 4 and 8 reps per set. If you've got a light one, you can do all the way up to 20. But I wouldn't do more than 20 because your precision is going to drop at that many reps and you're not going to get the effectiveness of the strength training. So choose your own adventure when it comes to the rep count, but here's how I would do the sequence. Kettlebell Clean. So the Kettlebell Clean is a power exercise using the posterior chain. So I'm not going to be able to just lift up this kettlebell and put it in the rack position. It's a little too heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power through my hip by doing a hinge and driving forward. And as I do that, I'm not, almost like I'm going to try and jump. So I'm coming up with my body, whipping that kettlebell up, back down, whipping that kettlebell up, back down, whipping that kettlebell up, back down, knees out, boom, to the rack, boom, to the rack. Good, so you do as many reps as you can do well, and then you switch sides. I did 5, so I'm gonna go back, chest stays up, boom. Try to be as vertical as you can. Boom, pulling that kettlebell up your body. Boom, getting that heart rate up, training the upper back, glutes, abs. Awesome. Single arm kettlebell lunge. So I'm going to hold the kettlebell in that rack position, so I have it high, and I'm going to load my left leg if I'm having the kettlebell in the right hand. Back, doing that reverse lunge. Boom. 3. Plant, switch, boom. 3, 4, 5. So that keeping in that rack position, having to transfer the load and the weight from one side of the body to the other, trains the abs while you're kettlebell press. So this might be a tough one. Corkscrew press up. If you can only do a couple reps, go ahead and turn it into a push press, meaning to get 5 or 8 good ones, knees out, hop up, use the legs, catch it, pop up, catch it, pop up, switch sides, grab, catch it, pop up, boom, boom, boom. So, using your legs to help turn that kettlebell press into a push press, total body training, vertical position, kicking the hips forward, riding that energy up with your arm, so that you can do it. If you have a heavy kettlebell, you're gonna have to do it that way. Kettlebell squat. So you got the kettlebell, goblet crushing it, squeezing the belly, rib cage down, vertical, coming all the way down into the squat, driving the glutes forward. Bam, bam, bam. 4, between 4 and 8 if you have a heavy one, up to 20 if you got a light one. Back to the pulling action, we're gonna do the single arm row. So, heavy weight in that hinge, pulling up, humerus, it's gonna be at the same height as the rib cage. I'm gonna do 8 reps of that, followed by 8 reps of the other side. Rowing. Eyes looking forward, nice and deep. Bam. Turn on your brain, turn on your heart, turn on your muscles. Now, I would do that every other day for 3 weeks. Starting at 4 sets all the way through, going to 5, going to 6, ending at 7 or 8, depending on how hardcore you are. Your rest period, at the end of that, You want to rest probably between 1 and 2 minutes. You get a full recovery. So even if you're ready to go, give yourself a little bit more rest so that you'll be strong and powerful. Remember, this is strength training with one single kettlebell. Do that, get adequate rest, and every round will be a little bit more explosive, a little bit more powerful. You'll get more from every rep, and that's the point of training, right? Not to get through it, but to get from it. Details matter. Pay attention as you bring forth the warrior within.